What's up, my glam babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone and welcome. If you're not new, hey boo, hey girl, thank you for returning. So yeah, today we're doing a smoky eye with the nude lip. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and make sure you comment down below if you try this look. Now let's get into this video. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm not gonna be doing too much talking through this video. It's gonna be pretty much thorough. The only part that I'm going to explain probably would be my eyes. So whenever I get to my eyes, then that's when I'll come on here and give y'all the little 1-2, and then yeah, we'll just go on from there. Next thing I'm going to do is prime. So today I'm going to use 2 primers. The first one I'll be using is the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer, and then this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So for my base, I'm just going to use, where is it? I'm just going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer as my base, and this is in the shade Soft Tan. First thing that I used was the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place, and I used this shade right here, and it's called Shawata. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this color and I'm going to use this as my base. And I'm gonna just pack this color on, then blend it out. Gonna put that brush to the side, and next I'm gonna go in with the shade Yodit. The next shade that I'm going to use is from the Chocolates by Juvias, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to take this shade and blend out the outer parts. I'm gonna go back in with this red shade. I mean, not red, sorry, the black shade, and just put some more because it took away a little bit of the black from that brown shade.
don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you.
For my lips, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in Cocoa Latte. Then I'm gonna go in with NYX Espresso. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and make sure you stay tuned for more of my videos. If you like this look, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with whoever. So without further ado, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.